best touchscreen laptops of 2024, our top picks. In 2024, touchscreen laptops are already creating a buzz in the tech market, and it's because they enable them to have an easy, intuitive, and carried-out approach. There's a big spectrum in the market for touchscreen laptops, including budget options and premium devices. Here are our top picks, featuring innovative technology, impressive displays, and seamless performance. Microsoft Surface Laptop 7. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 7 equips a 13-inch or 15-inch 120Hz touchscreen display powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus or Elite chip. It offers up to 64GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage and delivers speedy performance and long battery life, lasting nearly 16 hours on a single charge. The lap is between 2.96 and 3.67 pounds, perfect for work or school. Acer Chromebook Spin 714. The Acer Chromebook Spin 714 is run by an Intel Core i5-1235U processor and comprises one 14-inch WUXGA IPS display with touch support. The device has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD storage to deliver swift performance with affordability. The accompanying free stylus and wireless travel mouse make it an even better value when it includes multiple ports, all for under $800. Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 9. The Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 9 showcases a stunning 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen display powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1360P processor. This laptop offers up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It also features a stunning 2-in-1 OLED touchscreen, a great soundbar, and a stylus, all in a slim and lightweight package weighing just 3.09 pounds. Microsoft Surface Pro 11. The Microsoft Surface Pro 11 features a 13-inch LCD or OLED display driven by a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus or Elite chip. With up to 32GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, this tablet offers excellent performance and battery life, lasting up to 12 hours. It's perfect for those who prefer a portable touchscreen experience. Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is equipped with two 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreens and a 13th generation Intel Core i7-1355U processor with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. This laptop draws a more useful screen than most. It comes with a keyboard and a folio kickstand that fits a plurality of configurations and presentations.